Hey everyone, welcome to the Surface Saver. My name is Grant, and in this video I'll be showing you how to apply a non-slip application to your shower tray in 3 simple steps. So let's get started. This is the last in the series of 3 videos explaining how to fix a shower tray crack, resurface the tray, seal the perimeter, and then apply a non-slip application. If you've just finished the first 2 videos, there's no need to clean before you apply the non-slip. If this is an existing tray, however, clean thoroughly with a sugar soap type cleaner, following the instructions on the packet. Put some paper towel in the bottom of a carrier bag, bag up and tape off any shower heads to prevent drips and thoroughly dry the surface. This is our no odour, non-slip application kit. There's a link in the description box so you can order your own kit from our website, and we offer fast and reliable shipping worldwide. The kit contains a roller handle, gloves, hardener, cup with the resin and the granules, a stirring stick, masking tape, and the roller sleeve. Make a frame that is suitable for your shower tray. In this one we've gone for a rectangular one with strips, but yours could comprise of several sections, so just work out whatever's best for you. When you've got the basic frame that you want, you might just want to measure up to make sure it's not too far out, and adjust accordingly. There's lots of different shower tray designs out there, so we can't do a video for each one, so just make a frame that best suits your needs and requirements. For this tray we've gone for a design with horizontal strips, and it's quite hard to get the strips nice and straight. So what we've done is applied small masking tape tabs at each end and in the middle to make sure we've got an equal gap between each strip. Stack up the strips and the tabs so you get a nice equal frame all the way up to the top. And once you get to the top, you might have to make a small adjustment, either lose one of the strips or remove some of the original masking tape to accommodate equally distanced strips. When you're happy with the frame that you've got, double bank some more masking tape around the edge of the frame to keep the mess down to a minimum. And when you're done, you should end up with a frame that resembles something like this. Now peel off the tabs that we used to separate the strips and check and remove any hairs or debris that may have fallen on the area that we're working on. That's step 1 done, and now we're ready to mix. Pop a pair of gloves on from the kit and take the pouch of resin and squeeze the resin all the way to one end of the pouch. Once the resin's all at one end, take a pair of scissors and snip one of the corners and squeeze out the entire pouch of resin into the cup. Now discard the empty pouch of resin and apply the whole sachet of granules to the resin. Pour the entire container of liquid hardener into the resin and begin mixing. Mix really well for 5 minutes and warm up the material until it's the consistency of melted ice cream. Apply a thin even drizzle to all the areas to be coated and go really sparingly. For example, in this case we had about half the mixture left over. Once you've applied the mixture as evenly as you can, use the roller with fast light strokes in the direction of the masking tape to make sure the mixture is fully spread out. When you're resin resurfacing with us, the non-slip application process is the only time when you're rolling that you should hear a sticky tacky application sound. In fact, this is a good sign that you've got just enough material to create a texture and provide the non-slip properties that we're looking for. For this next stage, you might want to pop on a fresh pair of gloves from the kit and very carefully remove the masking tape frame to reveal the non-slip strips that we've just created. Bundle up all the masking tape and discard, and just keep an eye out for any bits that may be remaining. And that's it, we're done. A really cool looking non-slip application, looks really classy, and it's going to keep everyone safe while still looking great. Our shower tray crack repair and resurfacing kit and the resealing kit and our non-slip application kit are all available on our website in the link in the description box below. Thanks for checking us out, and happy resurfacing!